What's up, tribe? How you guys doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you like this video. This is gonna be a quick drop. I'm a little late. It's Wednesday. Talk a little bit about the Queen Supreme Court this Monday with guest judge what's his name? Shad. I'm gonna say Shad because I don't want to mess his name up. And I know I follow him on Instagram and I think he's funny. Sometimes I think he, be cutting it close to the jugular, but I think he's funny. I know that I thought he was from DC, but I guess he's from Barbados, but lived in DC for a while. I know he's from the area, and he's down in Atlanta. He was on a couple of episodes of Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta, because him and Tammy are really good friends, Waka Flocka's wife, and so I know him. Now let me say this: I know a lot of people had a problem because he was talking so fast that people couldn't understand him. I get accused of talking really fast, and I have to slow myself down. And sometimes I even get tongue-tied because I'm blah, 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 blah. I understood him. I can understand what he was saying. I mean, and you add in the fact he talks fast anyway. Then you add in the fact that he was drunk. So, but I thought he was entertaining. I thought it was funny. He didn't want to put nobody in jail, honey. He had it for everybody. He was defending everybody. But they talked about R. Kelly. The lady that bailed R. Kelly out of jail. They talked about Wendy coming back on her show. And I'm with you, Maddie. Fuck that. If you're going to make a career and make your money off of talking about everybody else's problems, then bitch, when shit go down with you, you need to put it out there too and put your business out there. It is what it is. You talk about everybody else's ups and downs and made millions of dollars off of it. So, if it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander. They talked about that case up here. Well, I'm not in Baltimore, but it's close to where I am. Up here, where the stepdaughter was accused of killing the mother after they tried to blame it on the panhandler, honey. And she said her mother was really upset by that story because she said, that's why she don't like helping people because of stuff like that. And then come to find out the whole thing was just a lie. But the story, it's just like, the story got a little crazy anyway. After a while, you was just like side-eyeing and like, something don't make sense. Something don't make sense. But unfortunately, fortunately, they found out who it was. Unfortunately, it was your family. It's like, daggone, the people closest to you be the ones that do it to you, honey. Of course, they talked about this whole Kylie Jenner, Khloe Kardashian. And again, Maddie, I'm with you on that one, too. How you mad about community dick? And now, Khloe backpedaling, pussy popping, talking about some, no, it's not Jordan's fault. That she wasn't the reason why my relationship ended. It just really hurt that someone so close that I considered a sister would betray me. Bitch. Your mama said, we don't want to fuck with the Smiths. That's what that was. Your mama said, don't. We not fucking with Will and Jada. Let that go. Will and Jada, let it go. We're not fucking with them. That's what happened with that. What else did we talk about? We talked about, I don't have my notes in front of me, y'all. I'm sorry. What else did we talk about? Anyway, that was the highlight of the show. I thought it was a good show. I say bring him back. Maybe next time he got to slow down a little bit for the people who can't follow what he's saying. But I ain't have a problem with him. I haven't looked at any other reviews, but I'm sure people would, again, because a lot of people in the comments were talking about him. He was talking too fast. He was talking too fast. And I thought he was funny, too. You know what I mean? Again, I follow him on Instagram, so I know what he brings. I know his style, how he come at you. But yeah, y'all know I always sort of rate it, and I put it up here or down here or what have you. I put him up, and I say in the top 10. Because he is going to have to slow down. Like I said, I understood him, but I know most of y'all didn't understand the damn thing he was saying. So he is going to have to slow down, but I would have him back. Maybe not have as much juice beforehand, but I have him back. I thought he did like I said, I thought he did a really good job. It was an entertaining show. It made me laugh. If you make me laugh, we good. And it made me laugh, so we good. You know what I'm saying? It was something else they talked about that I wanted to touch on. I don't remember what it was now. Oh, Luke Perry passing away. That hurt me too. I mean, I grew up on 90210, and I thought that was a sexy white boy. Ooh. And even now on Riverdale, I was so glad to see him back on TV, honey, because I look at Riverdale. It was so good. But rest in peace. I'm sorry to hear. You know, when you see somebody who looks like they're in good health, just suddenly just boom. And then they said after the stroke, he seemed to be doing better. And then, so that was sad. And Maddie said she had a crush on him, and she used to have fantasies when she was a little boy down in Miami. Little fantasies about Luke Perry. Me too. I had little fantasies about Luke Perry too, girl. I did. But anyway, it's just a quick drop. I gotta get out of here and get to a meeting. So it's just a little quick little bloop bloop bloop. And y'all let me know what y'all think. Drop it in them comments. Peace.